Hello, and welcome to a quick demo of the EXV Synthesis Online e-learning portal. It's got everything you need to pass your exams: complete learning and practice lectures, ACCA approved study text and exam kit, tests, simulation exams, energizers and webinars, together with a full pass guarantee. Let's have a quick look. Here we are on the login page, which can be accessed from any web browser. Clicking on the signing link takes you through to the main dashboard. In this example, we have a student who's studying for one paper. Straight away, you can see the learning progress versus the time progress to check if you're on track. Moving down to the page, you have access to additional metrics as well as an exam blog and business news. If you want to see more details on your performance on a particular course, you can click on the dashboard link for that individual paper. This takes you through to another page where you have more detailed metrics on your performance and progression. Moving back to the main dashboard, clicking on the Continue Learning icon takes you through to your e-portal classroom. On the left-hand side, you can see all the steps on your course, including learning lectures, tests, energizers, simulation exams, and a webinar. You're on the learning phase here, and on the right-hand side, you can see all the learning video lectures covering the whole syllabus. Clicking on the play button, you'll see an example of a learning lecture. I'll jump forward in the video to give you a short glimpse of what you'll see in your lecture.
And these options give the employees the right to buy shares in the entity at a fixed price at the date in a future. These options are granted to employees on a certain date, and they vest at the end of a vesting period. Now, normally employees are told that they can have these options, and if they're still working for the entity at the end of, let's say, 2 years, which is what I would call the vesting period, then they'd be allowed to buy the shares or be given the shares cheaply.
You can download your materials to go with the lectures, or if you can prefer, you can view the video and materials together by clicking this button.
So in other words, 85% will remain. Still getting 100 options, still valued at 15, but we're 2/3 of the way through. Now that gives me a value of 425,000.
Step 2 is a series of test your understandings, and here you'll be able to access quizzes, which act as a learning reinforcement exercise for the videos that you've just watched. You've got a variety of question styles including MCQs, numerical, drag and drop, and so on. Step 3 is an energizer, which links your learning part of the course with your practice phase. At step 4, the tutor changes focus to move towards getting you exam ready. At the practice stage, your tutor will debrief standard exam questions, the likes of which you will be facing in your exam. All of this helping you maximize your chances of success in your exams. Let's have a quick look at a practice lecture.
Started at 55, I bought 6, and I ended with 144. So I started with 55, I bought 6, and I ended with 144. Payables have gone up. That would cause a cash inflow, which would then take me to 83.
At step 6, you have an exam standard simulation exam. The final step is a webinar with last-minute tips and tricks to ensure that you are now 100% ready for your exam. Elsewhere on this page, you can contact your tutor, download study materials, make suggestions and view your own personalized study plan. Your study plan is unique to you. It uses elements of artificial intelligence to learn your study preferences and will recommend an individual tailored study plan exclusively for you. In summary, your course has everything you need to pass your exams. And even in an unlikely event that you don't pass your exams after completing your course, we offer a full pass guarantee. We hope you enjoyed this demo, and you can enroll on your course and get immediate access to it on our website, which is flashing on the screen. Alternatively, if you have any questions or would like to speak to one of our consultants, please do contact us. The email ID and the contact number is once again on your screens. Thank you for watching and good luck with your studies.